Could there be a huge price increase coming for XRP? A lot of investors and crypto fans are asking this question right now, and for good reason. Prices have been going up and down for months, and the market is still unsure, but now it seems like XRP is about to do something big.
Why?
A very important technical indicator is showing that the odds are coming together for the price of XRP to go up, which could surprise a lot of buyers. XRP has always been a coin that has a lot of potential. It hasn't always been easy to follow though. XRP has had its ups and downs, from legal fights with the SEC to market volatility in general. Recent events, on the other hand, make it seem like the momentum might be changing in its favor. It looks like XRP could be about to make a big move, either because more institutions are becoming interested in cryptocurrency, or because the market is becoming more open to digital assets. At this point, this strong sign points to a possible price rise. Now is the time to pay attention. The cryptocurrency market is always changing, and prices shift quickly based on news, how people feel about it, and even internet trends. The last few years have been especially unpredictable for XRP. Investors are now asking if the coin's real value has been reached yet. XRP hasn't gotten as much attention as Bitcoin and Ethereum, even though it plays a big role in the financial world, especially when it comes to cross-border spending. Now though, things are different, and this might be just what XRP needs to get out of its current slump. People are paying attention to a certain indicator that isn't just guesswork or gut feelings. It's based on real technical analysis that has worked in the past to predict how prices will move. This particular measure has shown bullish trends in the past, and the way XRP is currently priced suggests that a price increase is likely to happen soon. The bigger picture of what's going on around this moment makes it even more interesting. Some of the biggest banks in the world are starting to recognize and back XRP. It's no longer just a digital asset. They can see the value in what Ripple has built. Because it can be used to send money across borders, XRP could be a game changer in the world's financial system. As more banks and other financial institutions join the movement, the demand for XRP could go through the roof. On top of that, the Bitcoin market as a whole has been getting better. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both seeing their prices rise strongly, which makes it clear that XRP could have a great chance to catch up and even do better. The technical indicator that is currently showing a surge isn't just a fluke, it's part of a bigger picture that shows XRP could start a time of steady growth. Now the question is how long this rise will go unnoticed for before more buyers pay attention to it. As many people have said for years, could the price of XRP rise very quickly? With this important sign pointing to a shift in the right direction, investors may want to take a better look at XRP and decide if they want to get in before the price goes through the roof. Cryptocurrency prices change all the time, but things may finally be looking up for XRP. We need to look more closely at the technical analysis behind this key sign in order to understand why it is pointing to a possible price rise for XRP. Looking at patterns and trends in past price data is one of the most accurate ways to guess how prices will move in the Bitcoin market in the future. The Relative Strength Index (RSI) is a technical indicator that traders and experts are paying more attention to right now. People use the RSI to figure out how strong and fast a price move is. When the RSI reaches certain levels, it can show if a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. This helps buyers figure out when prices might change. The RSI for XRP is currently showing signs of being oversold. For those who don't know, the RSI is based on a range from 0 to 100. If the reading is above 70, it means the object has been bought too much. If it's below 30, it means it has been sold too much. The RSI for XRP is getting close to the oversold area, which could mean that the price has been too low for a while and is about to turn around. Whenever XRP's RSI has dropped into the lower level in the past, the price has usually gone up as the market corrects itself. This pattern has been observed in the past, and many traders think that the same could happen again. So what does this mean? An product like XRP is said to be oversold when it means there's more room for growth. People who have been waiting for the right time to get into the market might see this as a sign to do so before the price goes up. When more people buy XRP, the demand goes up, which usually causes the price to go up. The RSI is only one piece of the puzzle, but when put together with other signs, it makes a strong case that the price of XRP could be about to go up a lot soon. That's not all though. The amount of support is another important thing to think about. One of the things that makes an object stable is a price level that it doesn't easily fall below. These days, XRP has been moving close to an important support level. As long as it stays above this level, there is a good chance that the price will go up. People who trade are very interested in seeing if XRP can break through this level of support and go up. The price of XRP could start a bullish trend and go up from here. This could cause a boom that many people in the market to be surprised by. The RSI shows that the price is oversold and there is a good chance that a strong support level will hold. Many experts think that the price of XRP will go up soon, and it's easy to see why. There is a reason for these technical signs. They are based on real patterns and facts that have been shown to be accurate at predicting how prices will move in the past. Usually, when these things come together, it means that something big is about to happen. XRP could be the next coin to get a big boost. Also, when the market as a whole is showing good signs like how stable Bitcoin has been lately and how institutional interest in Ethereum is rising, for XRP to make its move, this makes things better. The market for cryptocurrencies moves in waves, and when big cryptocurrencies do well, smaller ones like XRP usually do too. This extra push could be the last piece of the puzzle that makes XRP's price go up by a large amount. What comes next is now the most important question for investors. If the RSI keeps showing that the stock is oversold and the support level stays in place, things might be about to break out. A rise in demand for XRP could be caused by technical signs and the state of the market. This could cause the price to skyrocket in the coming days or weeks. If you have XRP or are thinking about buying, now might be a good time to keep a close eye on things and be ready to act when the price changes. There are always shocks in the cryptocurrency market, but right now the technical signs are pointing to a possible XRP price surge. Right now is a great time to watch how things go. As more traders and buyers learn about these signs, things could get exciting for XRP. The fact that institutions are becoming more interested in Bitcoin is one of the most important factors right now. There are more and more big banks, companies, and financial institutions that are getting into the crypto space. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been the leaders for a long time, but XRP is now really taking off. Especially when it comes to sending money across borders. The company that made XRP, Ripple, has been used in